to withdraw money from Treasure NFT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Treasure NFT. First, log into your Treasure NFT account using your preferred wallet, usually MetaMask or another Web3 supported wallet. Once you're logged in, check your NFT earnings or rewards dashboard. Make sure the funds you want to withdraw are available and not still pending or locked under any staking system. Next, go to the withdrawal or claim section of the platform. You'll see the balance available in either the platform's native token or a supported cryptocurrency like ETH or USDC. Select the amount you want to withdraw, then confirm the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction and may charge a small gas fee for processing. After you confirm, the withdrawal will process and your funds should appear in your wallet within a few minutes, depending on the blockchain traffic. Once it's in your wallet, you can transfer it to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase or use it however you want. And that's how you withdraw money from Treasure NFT.